how to watch Premier League on laptop. First things first is use any preferred browser that you want. Now I'm going to be using Google Chrome for this video and just head directly to your search bar. Now type in Sky Sports. Now simply choose on the result right here, which is going to be redirecting you to Sky Sports' official website. Now for us to be able to watch a Premier League, just hover your mouse to Sports and then go to Football. Now, if you scroll down a bit and check on Live on Sky tab, this is going to be an ongoing or a live Premier League that is currently happening right now. So if we click on any of these leagues that you want, for example, now you'll be redirected to another tab or another page. So this is going to be the current game standing, the forms, the table, and the bidding. And for you to be able to watch it live on your laptop, just simply click on Get Now Sports Membership. And of course, it's not going to be free. For you to go ahead and watch live stream on Premier League using your laptop, you'll have to subscribe from Now Sports. Now, there's going to be a specific amount of the subscription or coverage in which you are currently located on a specific country or region. Now all you have to do is just click on memberships form and then you will be redirected to a payment method for you to be able to successfully pay it and then watch the Premier League live. So that's it. That's how you can watch Premier League live using your laptop.